Hello, welcome to the Cheetah Academy. My name is Grant. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at the navigation bar. The navigation bar, this is a topic I've treated in my last video, all right? So you want to go, I think you still want to watch that because the last video I made is on navigation bar, but this time is a little bit simpler. I use the simpler method. This other video I'm making right now is the method is a little bit complex, but I think you still want to watch both. All right, so the link to the last video is on this description. It's in the description of this video. All right, so you can just watch that. And please, if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. All right, there's no way you watch my lessons, the videos I make, and you won't understand how to create some stuff like the navigation bar and some other stuff, some other videos I've made. All right, you can just check out other videos I've made. So let's treat this. Let's dangle into this topic, navigation bar, how to create a navigation bar. So a navigation bar, this is actually what you see on every website. This is actually what you see on every website. Like if it summarizes, a navigation bar summarizes a website. All right, this is something you see at the top, usually at the top of the website, and it kind of summarizes the website. It helps you navigate your way through the website. So we're just gonna create. First of all, let's define here our style. Our style here. So our style here, we're going to impute some stuff here in our style. We'll define some stuff down in our style. Then we're going to impute some other stuff in our body section right here. So close this with HTML. So before you start, writing this code, you need to, first of all, define all these special tags in HTML and CSS. You need to define some of the special tags. So first thing first, we'll go to our body section. Let's go to our body section. Here in our body section, we're going to be using we're going to be using the unsorted list. We're going to be using the unsorted list, right? So the unsorted list So here in the unsorted list, we are also going to use the list. We're also going to use the list tag, which is the li close. Now, when you will know that in the navigation bar you have these are actually links. All right, in the navigation bar you have things like contact, home, and sign up, sign in, usually at the top, right? So, and it has links. So if you want to create a link in HTML, you're going to use the href, all right, to create a link. Now I'm going to use Google. I'm going to use Google as our link right here. So when I say href equals to say equal to now we're going to put the URL of Google in this space, which is a https column /www.google.com. All right, let me zoom out this. Let's close here up. Right here, let's call here home, right? Let's call here home. Now what we need to do is we're going to copy this. We're going to copy this, right? And we will duplicate it into 3, right? Into 3. So here we can call here let's just call it wallet. Then let's call here, let's say, contact us. Also here we can say sign up, right? So this is how. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to save this. Then we're going to view this on our browser and see how it looks like, right? So let's save this. Let's go and check this, how it looks like. So here you can see right here how it looks like right here. All right, so we're going to beautify this content in such a way that, you know, it will be pleasing to the eyes. So let's go back to our worksheet right here. So now let's go to the style tag. Let's, we need to style these elements so you can look, let's beautify it. We will style them so you can look, beautiful. So we're going to start with the UL, the unsorted list. We're going to start with the unsorted list, right? So in this unsorted list, we need to give it a background color, right? Here you say background color. Let's give it a light gray, right? Now let's save this. Let's view this on our browser. All right, this is a background color. This is light gray right there. Light gray. So let's also define other components. So let's define the unsorted list that is ULLI. That is a right. Now here we need to, give it there's something we call a list style type. The list style type is, you see this right here, this bullet right here. Let's remove this bullet right here. So we're just going to say list style type. List style type is none. Let's say none. So if you save this and view this on our browser, you'll find out that the bullet mark is no longer there. We've actually eliminated the bullet marks. Let's go back to worksheet and let's define other things. Let's also here we want these elements here to be, horizontal. We want it to be horizontally placed, right? So here we're just going to say inline block. sorry, display. Display is inline block, right? The display is inline block. So we're going to save this. Let's just save this and see how it appears on our browser also. All right, this is how it looks like. It has been horizontally placed, right? Now let's still define other stuffs. Let's define other stuffs. Let's give it a padding. That will something we'll call a padding. Let's give it a padding of 24 pixels. The padding will help, kind of bolding the surroundings of this text. Let's save this, and let's view this on our browser again and see how it looks like. All right, this is how it looks like right now. This is how it looks like. It looks presentable now, right? It looks presentable now. So let's eradicate this line here, the line underneath the text. Let's eradicate it. Let's remove it. Though it doesn't affect anything here, but I think it will be best. It will look better. It will look more presentable if without the line under the text, right? So let's we're gonna there's something we call a text decoration. So this text decoration, because this line is right under the text, we're gonna create another component which is called the LIA. This A meaning a link. Actually, is a link, right? Because right here with this text here shows that this actually links. Remember this home, we actually gave this home the Google URL. This is not the best. It's not the best product. I'm using it for as an example right here, using the Google URL. If you click on this home right here, it's going to take you to the Google URL. The Google website, right? It's going to take you to the Google website. But when you're creating a website, this is a Google website, but when you're creating a standard website, you will actually create your own URL website, link for all these elements here. For all these elements here, you're going to create a link for each and one on every element here, so that whenever a user enters your website, if he or she clicks probably to contact us, the contact us will take the user to a page where he or she will be able to see informations regarding the site, or how to contact the owner of the site, or whatever. I understand. That's just the importance of that URL. But for the Google, the one I use for the Google link I used for this, I'm just using another website to further explain what I mean. So here we have the LIA. So we're gonna just put the text decoration here. We're going to say no. Sorry, so I actually don't want any line under our text. So here, text decoration will be none. Let's just save this, and let's go back to our web page and see this. So I'm going to refresh our web page here. You'll find out that the line is no longer there. We've removed the line there, right? We've removed the line there. So let's go back to our worksheet and see if we can define other stuffs. I think this navigation bar looks perfect, right? It looks beautiful, right? It looks really, really beautiful. But let's Let's see if there are other stuffs we can, impute to make it look just perfect. Here, we can also introduce the font size. For example, if you feel this text here, right here, are not bold enough, right? You feel they're not bold enough, you can actually, there's a way for you to increase this text right here. All you just need to do is come down here and you say font size, right? You say font size, and let's give the font size, let's say 20 pixels. So 20 pixels. If we save this, and go back here and we refresh this, you'll find out that the text has been it's kind of bold now. It's no longer that small. It's now bold. This is just you can adjust this text. You can actually adjust this text whichever way you want. You can come down here and give it a font size of say 10, right? 10 pixels. Save this, go back on our web page, and we refresh this. You find that it's I think it's small, right? It's small. Let's just give it, let's use the 20 pixels, right? I think the 20 is better. 20 pixels is better. Yeah, I think this is perfect. And this is just how to create a simple navigation bar using this method. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you love this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And click on the notification bell so that whenever I put up videos, you'll get a notification. And believe me, if you pay attention to my teachings, I believe you will understand and you'll be able to create or replicate whatever I've done here. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next class. You have yourself a good day.